Good morning everyone. Today in English 1 we are going to learn chapter number 2, that is names of some more things. In previous chapter we studied, in chapter 1 we studied names of things. Okay, but here in this chapter we are going to learn names of some more things. So first of all, everyone in your textbook write down today's date 4/6/2020 and write down CW. Okay, now things. Again I am repeating and I am revising that what are the names of things. When you look around yourself, you will see there are so many things. You will see there are so many things. Like around me right now, if I am looking around the classroom, I can see bottle, I can see lunchbox, I can see duster, I can see chair, table, benches, trophies, boxes, cupboard. These all are the names of things. These all are the names of things which we have already learnt in the previous chapter. But in this chapter, we are going to learn about names of some more things. Names of some more things. Okay, now see, here you are given an help box. In this, you are given names of some things. And below that, here you are given so many pictures. You have to find out the names of these pictures from this book and write in the blank. Okay, so let us read first everything and then we will write. Okay, BELL, bell. What is this? BELL, bell. Then BALLON, balloon. What is this? BALLON, balloon. Next is DOLL, doll. What is this? DOLL, doll. Then after CAKE, cake. CAKE, cake. FROG, frog. FROG, frog. Though frog is a name of an animal, here frog is included in the name of things. Actually, frog is the name of an animal. Okay, next SHOE, shoe. What is this? SHOE, shoe. Then we have CHAIR, chair. CHAIR, chair. TABLE, table. TABLE, table. And last, BED, bed. What is this? BED, bed. Okay, now what we will do, we will look at the pictures and we will find out the names of things from this book. What is this? First picture is the picture of a cake. Where is the spelling of cake here? Yes, this is the spelling of cake. So here we will write CAKE, cake. Make sure that you all write with good handwriting and keep your book neat and clean. After cake, oh, it is the picture of a shoe. Where is the spelling of shoe? Let us find out from the help box. Yes, this is the spelling of shoe. SHOE, shoe. And make sure whenever you are writing anything, you must speak and write, so that while writing you can memorize the spelling as well and memorize the name of thing as well. Oh wow, what is the next? It is the balloon. Wow, it is red and bright. So let us find out the spelling of balloon from here. Yes, this is the spelling of balloon. BALLLON, balloon. BALLLON, balloon. Next is frog jumping in the pond. Where is the full spelling of frog? Yes, here. F R O G, frog. Which spelling is this? F R O G, frog. Next, it is chair. Yes, on which we can sit. Chair is the name of a thing. CHAIR, chair. It is chair. It is the name of a thing. Next is, wow, it's a pretty doll. And doll is the name of a thing. Where is the spelling of doll? Here. Very good. DOLL, doll. DOLL, doll. After doll, oh, it's a yellow bell which rings in the school and periods get changed. Period gets changed. Very good. Where is the spelling of bell here? BELL, bell. Bell is the name of a thing. Bell is the name of a thing. Next is, oh, it's a cozy, comfy bed on which we all sleep and take rest. Bed is the name of a thing. Here is the spelling of bed. BED, bed. What is this? BED, bed. And last, it's a table. It has 4 legs. How many legs does it have? 4 legs. So where is the spelling? Yes, this is the last spelling left. TABLE, table. Table is the name of a thing. Table is the name of a thing. So, what we learned today? We learned the names of some more things. Okay, when you look around in your house, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your garden, you will find so many things and you can name them easily. They are the names of things. Okay, now I hope you all have understood everyone. Bye bye.